What happens when the heart of America's busiest rail corridors starts to fail? Every day, over 200,000 people trust the Old North River Tunnel to get them between New York and New Jersey. Yet, deep under the Hudson River, cracks are growing, salt water is seeping, and time is running out. The $16 billion Gateway Hudson Tunnel project isn't just a construction plan. It's a fight to save the future. And it's about to change everything. But what if it doesn't? And what would happen if nothing is done at all? Stay with us till the end because the stakes couldn't be higher. The Gateway Program. The Gateway Program isn't a small fix. It's a once-in-a-century rescue mission. One that will decide the future of transportation for millions. Picture this. Two brand new tunnels stretching beneath the Hudson River, silently carrying thousands of trains a day through one of the busiest arteries in the world, sleek, powerful, and designed to handle tomorrow's pressure, not yesterday's limitations. With Gateway, we're not patching cracks anymore. We're rebuilding the system's backbone, fortifying it for the next 100 years. Double the train capacity, reduced bottlenecks, a northeast corridor that doesn't break every time a storm rolls through or a signal fails. But getting here wasn't easy. It took years of stalled plans, endless political infighting, and one alarming truth that no leader could ignore anymore. If the existing tunnels fail, the entire Northeast from Washington, D.C. to Boston grinds to a halt. Gateway isn't just important, it's essential. It's survival in steel and concrete form. Engineering marvel. Digging new tunnels under a living, breathing city is like performing open-heart surgery while the patient sprints a marathon blindfolded through traffic. Every inch beneath the Hudson holds challenges. Crews must carve through soft riverbed soil, dense clay, and stubborn bedrock. They'll weave their way past ancient utility lines, aging pipes, and forgotten foundations that haven't been touched in a century. At the center of it all are the tunnel boring machines, colossal beasts of engineering, each the size of a city block, armed with spinning steel jaws that grind through anything in their path. Precision isn't optional, it's survival. A few inches off course could mean disaster, sinkholes, flooding, even collapses. Every foot gained is a battle against gravity, geology, and human error. Hundreds of sensors will monitor vibrations, shifts, and water pressure. Engineers above and below ground will work in unrelenting shifts. It's not just construction, it's choreography, timing, and trust. In the darkness under the river, there's no margin for mistakes, only the stubborn, relentless march forward. Economic catalyst. What does a $16 billion investment buy you? It buys more than just concrete and steel. It buys dreams, around 95,000 of them. It puts hard hats on steel workers, blueprints in the hands of engineers, and fresh orders into local diners buzzing with new workers. It powers up small businesses, sparks growth in forgotten neighborhoods, fuels the careers of software designers, crane operators, electricians, and architects alike. This project isn't just about a tunnel. It's about economic adrenaline shot straight into the heart of the region. $19.6 billion in ripple effects, pulsing outward into the economy. New homes built, new schools funded, new communities rising from foundations laid in the mud beneath the Hudson. Because when you build something massive, you don't just create a structure, you create an ecosystem, a heartbeat, a future. And when the first trains roar through that tunnel, they'll carry more than passengers. They'll carry the hopes, sweat, and ambition of an entire generation who refused to let opportunity slip away. Environmental stewardship. Big projects usually leave big scars. Massive machinery, endless construction waste, carbon pouring into the sky. But the Gateway project is rewriting that story. Instead of damage, it's aiming for a different legacy: restoration, responsibility, and renewal. By expanding rail capacity, Gateway is expected to pull millions of cars off the roads every year, wiping out 2 million tons of carbon emissions. That's not just a number, that's cleaner air, safer cities, healthier futures. And it doesn't stop there. The project is being built under some of the strictest environmental regulations ever applied to a major American infrastructure project. Every ounce of waste is tracked. Every disruption to local habitats is minimized. Every inch of progress is made with the river, the land, and the people in mind. It's a bold reminder that progress and sustainability don't have to be enemies. If we're careful, if we're smart, they can be partners in building a future we're actually proud to leave behind. Enhancing connectivity. If you've ever sat frozen in Penn Station staring at the departure board as one delay after another pops up, you know the feeling. It's not just frustration, it's helplessness. One broken wire, one flooded tunnel, one small failure, and chaos ripples through the entire Northeast Corridor, trapping millions in a domino of cancellations and missed opportunities. But the new Hudson tunnels, they promise to end that era of uncertainty. Twice the train capacity, backup systems engineered for resilience, ready to handle storms, blackouts between getting that crucial job interview or losing the chance. This tunnel will mean less stress, more family dinners, more mornings that don't start with an apology text saying timeline and milestones. Big dreams take time. Construction officially began in 2023 after years of political tug-of-war. Right now, tunneling machines are preparing to launch, set to start carving through the riverbed within months. If all goes according to plan, the first new tunnel should be operational by 2035. Meanwhile, crews will also rehab the battered Old North River Tunnel, a delicate operation that has to happen while trains are still running. It's a relay race, funding and collaboration. It's rare to see Washington, New York, and New Jersey actually agree on something. Yet, here we are. 70% of the funding comes straight from the federal government, the largest rail transit investment in modern US history. The rest, shared between state and local partners, billions in taxpayer money, billions in hope. Federal agencies, state officials, Amtrak, NJ Transit, all locked into a rare moment of unity. It's messy, it's political, but somehow it's working. Because when the stakes are this high and the consequences this dire, even old rivals know, you either build together or you crumble a pair. The Hudson Tunnel project isn't just about trains, it's about resilience, ambition, and a belief that America's best days are still ahead. It's about refusing to let decay write our future. When the new tunnels open, they'll carry more than just passengers. If you enjoy this journey, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that's reshaping our world